Hi guys, so I have another swap and this is from Anne and it already looks so pretty and she gave a bunch of stuff as usual. Anne is infamous, notorious for being extraordinarily generous, and then she has a little package here for me which I'm going to open first just in case there's some stuff in there that might save us from having to open up some of her goodies. So let's get into this first. It's so cute. She always has the best bags, always, and she is always inspiring me to use my bags because I buy them. Look how cute this one is. It says Hello Summer. I think I'm gonna cut it up and like make a journal or something out of it because it is so pretty. Okay, let's see what she put in this card. Maybe there's some instructions that we might need to know. Oh, she used one of these cute bows cards from Hobby Lobby. I love. Okay, and she said, thank you for hosting this amazing swap. Thank you for helping me with the box when I got frustrated. Anne, you're so sweet. I'm also enclosing your birthday challenge entry. Hope you love it. Okay, love Anne. Okay, so I put the birthday stuff to the side. So let's get into this here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Anne is being Anne and put a bunch of stuff. I think I opened it upside down. Oh my gosh, there's a cup in here, guys. I'm obsessed with cups. Like, how many cups can one person have? I do not know because I have not reached the limit yet. I don't know. I can't tell you. Hand sanitizer. Oh my, she put an L on it. I love this so much, Anne. Thank you so. Oh my gosh, I love when things are personalized. Oh, so sweet. And I love hand sanitizer. So this is like, honestly, this is me summed up. Hand sanitizer with my name on it. Okay, let's open this pretty thing here. And let's see what this is. Oh man, am I prepared? Not really, but let's just try. Let us try it. This feels like glass, so I really want to open it because we really want to know what it is. Ooh, it is glass. Oh my word. You guys, it's one of those pretty, like, you know, double walled. Oh my gosh, but it has glitter. This is so pretty. And did you make this? I see the little thing here where you can like add your own. Did you do this? This is so pretty. Whether you made it or bought it, I love it. And thank you so much. Oh my gosh. And I'm a summer baby, so I love, you know, the summer themed things. So cute. And then we also have some washi tape. So pretty. And some sea things. So I wonder if that's gonna show us what's to come. So cute. And then we have, ooh, body butter. Perfect. A whole cajillion of these things. I will not show them all because we will be here all day, probably, likely, if it's up to Anne, but I'll just pour them out really quick and show you. Okay, she taped them up because she is very smart, and I'm gonna open this up. Okay. I'm just gonna pour them out, and I'm not gonna, I have a ghost because I'm knee deep in Halloween. You guys, look at all of this stuff. I'm just gonna show you some of them. Oh my gosh. I don't have any like sea themed cabochons or anything. So this is literally perfect. Like, look at this pink. Oh my gosh. The pink sandcastle is everything. These are so cute. And thank you. Your Anne is so generous, you guys. I love these. Look at the little shell charms. This is a hot air balloon. Look at the little shell, the beads. They're so cute. Okay, I'm not gonna, we'll be here all day, but look how cute. So cute. Okay, so cute. And then we have a mask. Oh, here's the straw. Okay, that goes with it. She made, let's see, because this might, maybe this is the same one that's inside the swap. She made a set. And knows that my favorite thing ever are Poke-Tools. Look how pretty these are. Look at this shell. So pretty. Oh, and it's a pen. Anne, were you listening to me when I said that I love pencils? You guys, Anne is the type of person. Look how she put the lead in here too. I cannot. She is the type of person that pays attention to like every little, you know, thing. Like when you watch a video, like she watches the videos, she listens to them. She's not like one of those people that skims forward and like does, it's like when she's watching your video, you have her full attention. And I'm certain that she heard me say that I love pencils, and I'm so thrilled because I just started bullet journaling and I need a fancy pencil. So I'm so happy. Thank you, Anne, so much. Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. She literally is the best ever. And then let's see what's in here, and then we will get into the swap. And maybe some of this is the same. Ooh, okay. If Anne sends goodies, sends food goodies, you know that they're going to be yummy. So she sent Swedish fish, which I love. And these, okay, so I'm gonna have to, even though I don't want to. And it's from Louisiana, you guys. So these are spicy Cajun crawtators. I have never had these. I am going to love them, I'm sure, and I'm gonna eat them. And I guess I'll let my husband have one, and that's it. And then if we love them, we'll have to like hunt them down on the internet. And then look at how cute these are. And then what is this? Is this like a towel? I think this is a towel, you guys. This is so sweet. Yeah, this is like, you know, like one of those, like, you know, like one of those things that dries fast. I think that's what this is. I think that's what that is. So cute. Thank you, Anne, so much. You are the absolute best. Let me clean up, pause, and I'll bring the swap out. I forgot to show you guys these plastic starfishes, or starfish. Some people say fishes, some people say fish. I don't know. So cute. I've never seen these. Okay, I wanted to show you guys that, and I also wanted to show you this just in case I didn't. Okay, now I'll be back. All right, guys, so I have all of these goodies. I'm gonna open her swap first. And you did such a great job on your box. Like, look how good it looks. It is literally perfect. It came in perfect condition, and it is so pretty. And I love this little embellishment like cluster that you put on here with all of the ephemera stacked on top of each other. I love that. And she has like foam and all kind of stuff under it. She has this floral mesh, and it says fun in the sun. So cute. And I love how you put this to keep it safe. I will put it back. And you guys, look how pretty these bows are that she used to hold them. And you even matte the bottom. So nice, Anne. You did such a great job. I love it. You did so good. Oh boy, this is literally like, look how pretty. What paper collection is this? It literally is like, I like felt like I just opened up like sunshine. I love this so much. Wait, look how cute this is. So cute. Look, sunny days with beads. What a great idea. And I love these little suns. Oh my gosh, this makes me so happy. Okay, so her birthday is May 15th. She loves pink and gold. She loves to paper craft and scrapbook. She loves Christmas, Halloween, football, Disney, her fur babies. Her dream vacation would be Greece, Scotland. I just came from Greece, Anne. And she loves going to Disney. Okay, and her Instagram and YouTube are the same. They are AnneLoca71. And I, of course, will put all of her info in the title and in the description bar. I love that, Anne. So cute. And then look at these adorable, adorable, adorable tags. So stinking cute. And they say sweet summer, and this one has like, this is how I craft basically too, is like I just like do all of the like puffy stickers and embellishments. I use my collections, and look at these 3 little epoxy dots, and look how she even put one on the sunscreen. So cute. And I love the seam binding. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. I love these. Oh my gosh, look at these bows. I am not going to take them out. Look how pretty she put my favorite flowers on the inside. I love those. And this is I think this is the angel wing bow. And these are literally beautiful. I love the paper. I love this paper collection. And please tell us what paper collection this is. And look at this. Oh my word. These rosettes are so pretty. I love the size of them too. Oh my gosh, these are so stinking cute. Aren't these so cute, guys? And then look at the paper. It's so pretty. I love it all. Oh my gosh, the bag toppers. I love bag toppers. Look how she made like a scene. She has like these 2 clouds, a bird flying, and it says go with the flow. And she even put a little like tiny little nail art thing on here. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then look at this one up here. It says sunny and warm. And I love this collection. Is this a Rosie Studio? I just don't know what it is. It's so pretty. It might be Rosie Studio, because I feel like Rosie Studio does such a good job with like all of the ephemera and puffies. And then look at this. We have some shell shakers. So we have like this large kind of conch shell. And then we have like a seashell. And it says, this is the best. So cute. Oh my gosh, adorable. Oh, and then these words. And these words are super thick, you guys. They are literally like super thick. And it says summer lovin', beach life, pool day, tropical vibes. Love that. And then in here we have, let's see what we have in here. I think these might be the die cuts. No, I think the die cuts are right there. So I don't know what this is. Let's find out together. If I can get it open. Okay, here we go. So we have some fun goodies. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they are die cuts. Look at this. Look at these. They're so cute, and they're all like super sturdy. Like this is really sturdy. These are so pretty. I love them. You got a pair of these and like a little baby one. The fan. This is adorable. I have never seen this. Where is this die from? Oh my gosh, look how cute it is. It's like a little cat, but it's like the front is like it looks like a fan. This is adorable. I love it so much. So cute. Okay, and then we have our die cuts right here. So we have a bunch of stuff to pack. All right, so we have our bathing suit, and we have multiple bathing suits. I learned that the hard way. You need to bring multiples. So we got all these little cute bikini bottoms. And then we have their corresponding tops that are so cute. Oh my goodness gracious. Look how cute these are. You have to bring all, this is about how many bikinis my mother-in-law brought. I was like, why do you need all of these swimsuits? And then I was like, oops, I only brought one, and I should have brought at least two. And then look at this. Shaker, 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 extra thick, mega thick shakers. And these are gorgeous. I love this fish. I love the school of fish. Oh my gosh, I join every day. I love this. And then look, we have a set of stickers. So, so cute. And then of course we have a ton more stuff to open. So let me put this back together and I'll be right back. Oh, you guys, while I was packing up, we missed this beach ball. Look how pretty it is. It was in the in this package and I almost forgot it. So I wanted to show you guys. So cute. I love it. Okay, so I took a little peek in here just to see if there were duplicates. And this is the same like snack, the chips and the Swedish fish. And then all of these are the same. She gave the embellishment box, the body butter, the little plastic things, little starfish, and then the mask, and then also a Poke Tool pen set and another one of these little towels. But in addition to that, she also gave you this really beautiful sequin mix and also this little cute mermaid tail notebook, some sunscreen, definitely an essential, and then your washi tape looks slightly different but still so cute. And then there's a die in here for their flip-flops, a flip-flop die, so cute. And then you also got a little tag flip of goodies. So we have this little sticker patch, we have these little gems that are fish, so cute, some Jolies, these are the ball and the sunglasses, adorable. And then another pack of stickers from Hobby Lobby. These are like dimensional stickers. And then also you got some of these little sea-themed wax seals. So of course, as usual, Anne was extraordinarily generous. Thank you so much, Anne, for being in my swap and for your beautiful hostess gift, and also just for being so sweet and just such a pillar now in my crafty inner circle. So you guys, make sure you head over to Anne's channel and subscribe. She posts like really amazing stuff. She just finished a swap and she's hosting another one, so she'll have some swap reveals and stuff and project shares and all the goody things. It's just like my channel. You like my channel, go over to Anne's, you'll love hers. And make sure you guys subscribe if you're not subscribed, and also go ahead and look at the challenge playlist so that you can see all of the other swaps. There's a Pack Your Bags playlist that's also linked in the description bar as always. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.